Hello, this is BelVG, and in this Magento tutorial, we'll show you how to add general information about your online store in the backend. So first go to Stores, Configuration, General. Adjust the following sections. The country options stands for the country where your business is located and the countries from which you accept payment. State options. Some countries' postal rules require specifying sender country in order to calculate taxes. In case this field is not required in your country, ignore it. In locale options, adjust your time zone, weight unit, first day of the week, or simply use system value. Store information contains basic info like store name or address. In single store mode, choose No to manage more than one store in the backend. And with that, thanks for watching. We hope that video was useful to you, and if so, please subscribe.